backwards. Ready? 1,
2, 1. Hi, I'm Chacha. Are you ready for an adventure? Can't wait for you to be a part of my squad. Come on, let's go. People who are new here, make sure you subscribe, share this video, like, and turn notifications so you never miss anything from Chacha. I put her in the shower. But Kenny, today, me and kind of you are going to be doing our night routine.
Am I included?
Oh, Kenny, of course you are. Floating head. Well, you're not going to be really in the video because it's my channel because... So guys, I am going to tell you something. I just got done with something that involved makeup, and Kenny has makeup on too. But today I'm going to be doing my night routine with Kenny. Kenny, come over here.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Okay, Kenny, tell them what to do.
So you heard her in her intro. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, like, and
Turn on your coat.
Chacha's. Dude. You heard Chacha's intro. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss anything from this cutie right here, guys.
I'm gonna shower, and then Kenny's gonna shower in the other shower.
And we'll get back to you in a second.
So I got out of the shower. I'm in my robe, and I got mommy here.
Woo! I'm here.
So,
I just got out of the shower too. It was a long day. We were busy.
yeah, I got in my bathrobe, and I gotta figure out my outfit for tomorrow because we do have a busy day tomorrow too.
Yes, we do.
And I have to figure out my pajamas. My outfit and my pajamas are right here. I got tank top, sweatshirt, and some red, nice, cozy pants.
These are cozy. We start wearing these sweatshirts now because it's really cold, right?
And now I've got these pants for tomorrow.
we haven't
They're
decided because
sparkly.
these sparkles or these ones.
Yeah.
You have to decide.
Comment down below which one you think. And then I got this cute shirt. I got a bra top because, yeah. And I got a sweatshirt too that matches that. Okay, guys. So, you see this outfit right here? That is gonna...
Magically appear?
Teleport on me. And then this robe is gonna teleport to where my clothes are right now.
Ready?
So, 3,
3, 2, 1. It teleported. It did. It worked out. It teleported backwards. Ready? 1.
2, 1.
Oh, that's so much better.
So the robe is still here.
There it is.
But now I gotta finish my night routine and go into the bathroom. Let's go and see what Kenny's doing. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom now. I have 2 Q-tips because I have eye makeup on and makeup on.
Why do you have it on though?
Because today we were very busy and we had a photo shoot.
Okay. Yeah, we don't normally wear makeup though, right?
Yeah, we don't normally, but we had to at this point. Okay, so my mom told me to put this on. I don't know.
That's not how you wear it. It's so
I
you
don't
can,
have any makeup on my forehead.
but it's to keep your bangs out of your face. You don't wear it like that. There you go. There you go.
Over here. So first you want to shake it up because...
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Okay. So now that we're done shaking it up, we are going to open it. But you should do it over the sink so it doesn't get on the counter. And
Got
then
it.
It will be a
No
mess.
spillage. No spillage. Got it. No spillage.
So, I'm going to go to the mirror because I cannot see from here.
Okay. We're going to step up to the mirror. There we go. Uh-huh. So what does this do? It's taking all your eye makeup off?
Yes.
I see.
It's taken off all the makeup.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, so now that my face, my eyes especially, are all nice and clean, Now this is the time when I brush my teeth.
Oh!
Use Crest. Not sponsored. Got a lot of it on.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Turn on the water.
A little bit of water.
I'm not the dentist.
You're like you're at the dentist. You're right. The dentist makes you put sunglasses on. And we're done.
The floss.
A floss. Oh, we floss. I forgot. We get the floss
I have
out.
a little more left.
Yep. We get those flossers out. Why is it important to brush our teeth and floss?
Because you don't want any cavities and you want to get all the food that's in between your teeth.
Yeah.
Like corn.
Like corn. Yep.
Definitely floss after you eat corn. Like Thanksgiving.
Like Thanksgiving.
Which is happening in a couple of days.
Which one's your favorite holiday? Halloween.
Well, my favorite holiday is Thanksgiving because my daddy's birthday is the day before my mommy and daddy's anniversary, and then after my mommy and daddy's anniversary is Thanksgiving, and that's Black Friday when we stay up until 2 in the morning ice skating.
That's why we like Thanksgiving.
And then my second is Christmas.
Yes, I have to agree.
Because we wake up, we go to the kitchen, look if Santa ate his cookies, read the letter, and then we go to our living room and have some hot chocolate and open all the presents.
Yeah.
And then we go to Grandma's house, have some lunch, some very good lunch, and open the presents. I think there's only like 10 more Fridays or something.
I think there's less than that. I think
There's two more
closer to like.
There's 2 more Fridays, guys, until Thanksgiving.
So that means there's only 6 more till Christmas, because Christmas usually 4 weeks after.
Guys, if you didn't check the video out in my channel or the Team Shen channel.
Oh yeah, you went to the dentist.
To get all my sugar bugs out, and I got snowflakes on my teeth. Teeth.
Let me see. Did you? Let's see. Less to brush. What's next?
So I go downstairs and have some water.
And then we relax, kick our feet up.
Yes, and go under the blankets.
Yes, let's go.
And go on the phone.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so if you hear that sound, that is the washing machine.
Dishwasher.
Yeah,
Washing machine washes clothes.
Washing, rubbing, hydro.
Hydro.
This is my sister's, by the way.
We take a hydro flask and we fill it with water, right?
Yes, I didn't take this top because gotta get. It's full of water, but it's not clean water, guys. I don't drink these normally because I normally drink from the fridge because I don't want
water from the fridge.
Well, I don't want to waste my fancy Fiji water, but I'm drinking it for you guys.
So this is how we close our night out. We drink water and then we go to bed.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video of me having my rapid night routine, you should go and subscribe, share this video, like, and turn notifications so you never miss anything from Chacha! And we're gonna see you guys on Friday. Bye! Alright guys, if you're new here, and if you're not new here, then do the same thing, but
She put me in the shower.
She's a